question, Jean. Are married women allowed to cover their hair with a hijab? HaShem, since they would look more like Muslim?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it would be Hilul HaShem. So we don't need this. They are things, right? So we have our own way how we cover the hair, and Jews must look like a Jews, and these must they can look the way they look. No problem. But in some countries, they actually like in Yemen, there is some Jews in Yemen still live. I think that they use wear hijab. Okay. You're welcome. Or like with the face open, because according to our religion, you're not allowed to close the face, to hide the face. Yeah. You're welcome.